Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're going to unpack a topic that every teacher, student, and parent cares about: assessment and evaluation. This is where teaching and learning come full circle. It's not just about what we teach, it's about finding out how well students learned it and how we can improve. You can explore the full series by clicking the playlist link in the video description below. What is assessment and evaluation? These two words are often used together, but they're not the same. Assessment is the process of collecting information about student learning. It can be formal, like a test, or informal, like a class discussion or quick quiz. The goal is to understand what students know, what they're struggling with, and how they're progressing. Evaluation, on the other hand, is about judging that information. It means looking at the results of assessment and making decisions, like assigning grades, giving feedback, or adjusting teaching strategies. In short, assessment equals collecting evidence, evaluation equals making sense of it. Why is it important in education? Imagine teaching a whole unit and never checking if students understood anything. That would be like cooking a meal and never tasting it. Assessment helps teachers understand student strengths and weaknesses, improve lesson planning, provide personalized support, motivate students through feedback, track progress over time. And for students, assessment isn't just about scores, it's about knowing where you stand and how to grow. Types of assessment. There are three main types. Formative assessment, ongoing and low stakes, used during learning to guide improvement. Examples: quizzes, exit slips, class polls. Peer feedback, summative assessment, happens at the end of a topic or course, measures what was learned. Examples: final exams, projects, presentations. Diagnostic assessment, used before teaching begins, helps identify prior knowledge, learning styles, or gaps. Examples: placement tests, interviews, learning style surveys. Good teachers don't rely on just one, they blend them to support all learners. Modern trends in assessment. Today, assessment is evolving beyond paper tests. Many schools are using portfolios, collections of student work over time, self-assessment and peer review to build reflection and critical thinking. Project-based learning, where students show understanding through real-world tasks. Digital tools like Kahoot, Google Forms, and AI-powered platforms. These help make assessment more dynamic, inclusive, and meaningful. Why future educators must understand this. As a future teacher, your ability to assess and evaluate fairly and effectively is key to student success. It helps you adjust your teaching to student needs, make learning visible, encourage growth instead of just ranking performance. Remember, assessment isn't just about judgment, it's about empowerment. What's next? In our next video, we'll explore classroom management, how teachers create safe, respectful, and focused learning environments where every student can thrive. So make sure to subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and follow the full playlist linked below. Thanks for learning with us, right here at the Learning Studio.